Hi, we are at Thandi Sadak water body in Dudhwa Tiger Reserve in Dudhwa range. So very prominent water body out here. If you see big water body, we have done a 1 HP solar system out here, and we'll be able to fill this pond now. Previously the forest department used to fill this through a diesel engine, and they used to spend almost around 300 to 400 liters of diesel every season. So we'll be able to now save a lot of diesel plus a lot of noise and pollution in the forest, which is a commendable work. I think so it is all because of our donors who have supported us for doing this system. We have done this system again at 20 feet because we want to save this place from elephants and save this system from the elephants, and we'll be able to do an elephant trench as well. If you see, we have given the pipeline to this hole only because this is the place where the tiger sits the most in this area, and then the water will flow down.
मैं हंसराम राणा, दुधवा नेशनल पार्क। यहाँ पानी की बहुत दिक्कत हो रही थी। टैंकर द्वारा पानी डाला जाता था, हफ्ता भर में दो बार डालना पड़ता था गर्मी के सीजन में। अब कोई परेशानी नहीं होगी।
So if you can see here, we are doing a super structure at Aam Chauraha in Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. Pretty difficult job for us to do because it is very unstable. Now we'll be doing the welding work as well. Hats off to these guys who are working here tirelessly and without any fear. This is the main water body. We have just cleaned up the water body, and there's a bigger one as well. So there's a regular movement of tiger and elephants and other animals out here. So we are expecting that a 1 HP system out here will help the animals. Plus this is the main tourism area, so it will also help the tourism as well for the forest, and we'll have more animals staying here because previously this was filled by tanker, and what happens, that if the tanker it fills up every 10 days or 15 days, the water gets really dirty and also smelly, so the animals don't drink water, honestly. So if we give now fresh water here, it will fill up this area, animals will drink fresh water, and also the bigger lake will be filled up after rains out here, so we'll have a good ecosystem as well here. This is the second water body. Actually what we are doing here is that we'll be filling up the saucer, and the overflow water will be coming to this. So once the saucer gets filled, actually the water will come through gravity to this water body. I'm not expecting this to get filled in this season because it is a big one, but once the rains happen, this fills up, then we will be able to recharge this and maintain the water level out here. Till that time we have got a big saucer out here for the animals here. pH values की अपन देख रहे हैं 6.8 के आसपास, ठीक है सर। Alkalinity alkaline की तरफ है, इस तरफ ये इसके आसपास हो गया 80, ठीक है सर। हार्डनेस अपनी थोड़ी है पानी में, ये कलर मैच हो रहा है 250 के आसपास, है ना सर। लेड 0 है, देखिए, ठीक है सर। कॉपर 0 है। आयरन ये 5 और 0 के बीच में है ये कलर, तो आयरन ऑलमोस्ट नहीं है, क्योंकि जितनी वैल्यूज़ ये है ना, पहले 2-3 वैल्यूज़ आर फाइन, ड्रिंकेबल में आ जाती है। लास्ट में देखें ये फ्लोराइड है अपना, इस पानी में तो सर फ्लोराइड भी नहीं है, जो अच्छी बात है। आप देखें बहुत कलर एकदम डार्क की तरफ है ना। 0 से 4 के बीच में है, मगर 0 ही है ये देखा जाए। सल्फाइड भी 0 है।
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रितेश पटेल, रेंज ऑफिसर दुधवा। यहाँ पे ये दुधवा रेंज का सरौता बीट है। यहाँ पे वाटर होल बना हुआ है। इसके पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे टैंकर से पानी भरते थे। अर्थ ब्रिज फाउंडेशन द्वारा यहाँ पे सोलर पंप लगाया गया है, जिससे अब यहाँ पे डेली ताज़ा पानी जंगली जानवरों को मिलता रहेगा। यहाँ पे टाइगर, भालू, वाइल्ड एलिफेंट का झुंड अक्सर मूवमेंट रहता है, तो इस पानी देने से वाइल्ड लाइफ को और यहाँ के जंगली जानवरों को काफ़ी सुविधा मिलेगी। मैं अर्थ ब्रिगेड फाउंडेशन सरिता सुब्रमण्यम मैम का बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। यहाँ पे वाइल्ड लाइफ में पानी की सप्लाई के लिए जंगली जानवर एवं दुधवा की तरफ से मैं उनका आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
We are going for our work. We are in Satyana range right now, driving through the forest. Lovely day. Woo! So if you see here, the machan is getting repaired because the elephants has damaged it yesterday. So this shows that this area is actually has got a lot of elephants out here. A herd of around 20 elephants was seen yesterday, and they actually did all the damage here. So that's why a big trench is needed here. The forest department is going to do a trench tomorrow, big trench. After that only we are going to do the system here. So a lot of elephants, a little dangerous for us here. We are having fun. Hi, we are at Baketal in Sonaripur range in Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. So this is one of the sites that we are doing here for our installation. If you can see, there is a big lake out here which is called as Baketal in this area. This is a very beautiful place. There are a lot of swarm deers out here. Apart from that, it is actually a home to swarm deers out here. Apart from that, cheetahs are there. We have seen a hawk deer yesterday. Tiger movement is very rampant out here. There are regular elephants in this area as well. So we are actually, if you see this lake, this is almost dried up now, and this will be finished in next 10 to 15 days, and this will actually hamper the entire ecosystem of this area plus the aquatic life in this area. So we have done a solar system here which will give water in this area and keep this reasonably filled in the entire summers, and then in next cycle when the rain happens, and after that when we start, this will be really filled up in the, and we'll have lot of animals out here. In the evening we can see actually swarm deers out here which are not visible right now, but we'll show you in the other videos as well. So very lovely system. We have done a higher system again out here near the machan because of the elephant movements. We are gonna do a trench out here to save our solar system from the elephants. So very beautiful place, and we hope to see a lot of action of wildlife out here. It is actually one of the main tourism areas. Every day the tourist gypsies come here. Actually the people are allowed to go on the machan as well, so to have a view of the entire place. So we are very happy that we are actually contributing in this area. Thank you to the donors for this. Hi, so we are doing water testing of the solar system at Baketal. So we have just filled the water from the tube well in a thing, and now from this strip we'll check. We'll just immerse it for 2 seconds, sorry, and now we will check it against the colors that it gives. So now the first thing we have to check is the pH value. So the pH value, if we see, is matching this color out here, which goes to around 7.5. Next is we are testing total alkalinity, which is it's a very good 120 alkaline water. Third is the hardness. The hardness color is around, if you see, the water is little hard here. It is changing color, it's coming to this. So yes, it's still little hard but drinkable. Lead, if you see, there is no lead, it's 0. Copper, it has got a little copper in it, but that is under marginal values which are acceptable out here. We see there is little iron content in it, 5. Then we come to the end from the check. If we check fluoride content, it has got red color here, almost 0 fluoride content. Sulfide content is again 0. Mercury is 0. Nitrate and nitrite are 0. It has got bromine a little and free chlorine a little.
जो अभी आपने पैनल लगाया है पानी के लिए, जंगली जानवरों के लिए, बहुत ही अच्छा है, और ये पैनल जो लगा है काफ़ी अच्छा पानी दे रहा है, और जिससे जंगली जानवर जो तमाम आके वहाँ रुकते हैं, पानी पीते हैं, और जंगली जानवरों का भी काफ़ी वहाँ पे रुकना होता है। जैसे आपका अब इस समय जंगली हाथी भी आए हुए हैं, तो वो भी काफ़ी इसमें पानी का यूज करेंगे वो।